You up?
Yeah.
What are you up to?
I'm putting something.
Benji wants to come in.
Come in where?
Oh, now he's gone. Never mind. What are you doing?
Tika, come here. Look at my room.
How come I come in?
What are you doing?
I don't know. I like your bathroom. Can I just sit here?
What the fuck? Are you being serious?
No. How about in the hallway? In the hallway. When will you be done?
Almost. I just need to find out.
You better be.
Where is it?
The what? It might be out here.
No.
What do you mean no? How would you know? Bless you.
I just
Bless
know.
you. Well, you're a freaking magician or some shit.
There you are.
How many things are you putting up? Holy shit. Where's your glass? Oh, where's your glass?
And you're facing the toilet. Where's your glass?
Yeah, where's the glass?
The fuck?
Where is it?
Huh?
Where is it?
What do you mean glass? It's in the kitchen.
Yeah, which cabinet? Oh shit.
You've seen the cabinet which has the, what's it called?
Wait, let me try to find it.
Found it? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Guess what?
Help me!
One.
Better be. What shape is that? That's like
Huh?
slanted. Are you trying to make a shape?
No?
Oh well.
I just want it to be like this.
Oh well.
Ow! Ow!
What the hell?
That should be right there.
Yeah. What the? Hurry up! I want a drink.
This is not even working. The other one. Shade.
Oh my god.
Wait, this one does.
No. Oh. Never mind. Come on.
Okay.
Let's take a shortcut. I legit love this Paris.